been on it in a while. Oh man, it's long. I forgot how long it was. Oh, that was fun.
But yeah, SeaWorld has the space to put giant coasters here. You know what I mean?
We definitely need to go on. Right, Dimper, right?
Dimper.
Yeah, that looks like a ghost down there. Yeah, we're gonna move now.
Oh, we're going to hold on tight because you're about to get chills and we're not talking about the cold.
That's a good one.
We're not talking about the cold.
You're gonna get chilled if we're not talking about
Look
the
at the
cold.
tires are moving. Do we get to see it go? Let's see if we get to see it go. Oh look, there it goes.
Bye.
Bye.
They love this.
It's a fun ride. It's a good intimate one. And we're not the super intimate fans.